5 seconds. That's all you get on Amazon to convince a shopper to click on your listing. When shoppers search something, like first they notice the main images and they click on what grab their attention. Just adding your product main images does not help. You need to stand out with all other competitors. And the question is how you are gonna do this. That's exactly what I am going to show you in this video. I am walking you through exactly how to make your main image stand out and boost your CTR without breaking any Amazon's strict rules. Well, talking about the rules, Amazon is very strict on this, like what you can do, what you cannot. So first, you need to be aware of the main image rules. So here, you can find all the rules regarding the main images. Like, you need to keep the white background and make sure the product is 85% of the area. And then no text, logos, border, color blocks, watermarks, or other graphics covering the product or in the background. Well, these are all the rules. I'll give you in the descriptions links below. You can read this. You know the rules. White background and only the product in the main image. So, how you can be different with the main image? If I go to Amazon, let's say searching for organic vitamin supplements. Now, these are the main images, but some of them are eye-catching without breaking the rules. Like this one. This showing the packages, and then see this one, using image props. That's where creativity inside the rules become your advantage. If you know how to highlight key selling points while staying compliant, you can make your image pop out without getting flagged. And that little difference is often the click maker. So the first thing is that visual relevance. Let's do a quick test about what I mean. We have 2 supplement bottles. Now imagine you just typed organic supplement on Amazon. The first image, a black bottle, so looks bold, but nothing about says it's organic. If you are hunting for something healthy and plant-based, that dark design doesn't talk to you at all. And here's the second one. Green bottle, clean look, word organic, clearly visible. Your eyes lock into it instantly because that's literally what you search for, right? So, see the difference? Your brain does this tiny shortcut. It spots the word and color it's looking for and then clicks. You are not even consciously thinking about it. Now, just to be clear, adding text like organic on your images won't help your SEO. Amazon's algorithm can't read text inside images. So, why should you add text on your images? Because human can read it. If I type organic supplement and I see that word in an image, my attention goes straight there. Most times, I'll click before I even finish scanning the rest. So yes, that single word can lift your click-through rate even though it doesn't change your indexing. And did you notice something else? Without reading a line of the description, I can already guess it's made with natural ingredients. That is the organic feeling. Small touches like that build trust fast. Number 2, use text wisely. Here's another trick. You can still deliver information on your main image without breaking any rules if you do it cleverly. Look at this first example. Clean white background, full product visible, everything perfectly compliant. But it's missing something. Context. Now look at the second image. Same product, same angle. But this time, it includes a short text label, cookie ban. Simple, clear, and readable. And that's not all. It lists the size and dimensions right on the images. That instantly tell shoppers what they are getting. And see those cookies sitting on the pan? That one small visual makes it feel useful and relatable. You are not just showing a metal tray. You are showing the purpose of that tray. That's how you make your image do more than its display. It communicates. Number 3 hack is show the packaging. Showing the package in the images can increase your click-through rate. You can add a lot of information in the package like this one. This product can clean, heal, and smoothen your skin and many more. Also, an eye-catching packaging image can help you stand out in the research results. But what if you do not have any nice package to showcase? Don't worry. Let your creativity fulfill the gaps by creating some sorts of design elements that help it stand out, like this image here. Not showcasing the packaging, but they add liquid splash as a cool element. And in my opinion, this looks great, isn't it? Number 5 hack is showing everything. This trimmer has a variety of clips and accessories showcasing in the image so that shoppers can have the idea of what they'll get with the trimmer. Showcasing everything can be beneficial for the seller because this will increase the click-through rate. Like this image, showing everything you have. Talking about showing everything, now if you have variation, show them as well. Watch this image closely. These water bottles come in a variety of colors. Some may be like the pink one and some may be like the blue one. Different people have different color priorities. For example, let's say a shopper wants a hydroflux in green. So this image still grabs his attention because he can see the green one he was looking for, even though the pink one is in the front. Well, compared to this one, this hydroflux also has color variations. But when shoppers are looking for the other color like green, ash color or may other color beside the black one that is displayed, they have to go to the listing page and then have to search. As I mentioned earlier, customers want fast and relative information without much struggle. So, showing variation in the images helps customers to find their desired one without struggling hard. And next hack is adding color. One way to make your images more eye-catching, especially your main image, is to add colors. Okay, let me show you examples. From these two images, which color looks so cool to you? And I am pretty sure that 9 out of 10 would click on the second one. Well, colors brings life. Color make your product vivid, hence, to stand out from the competition, use colors. So the next hack is show quantity clearly. Quantity is another underrated CTR booster. If you are selling a 12 pack and your main image shows just one piece, shopper assume that it's single item. But if you visually display 12 pack on the image or show the item stacked, it instantly communicates more. You just help them understand what they are paying for and that makes them click. And then you can use multiple angles to show full functionality, showing more than one angle. In the first photo, we can only see the front of the chair. It looks fine, but we are missing the crucial details. The chair has a built-in speaker on the back. Without showing the angle, buyer won't even know it exists. The second image solves this by combining the front and back view. Now you can see the colorful design and the speaker features as well. So, use multiple angles whenever your product has something worth showing. So, here is the big picture. Your main image can't just exist, it has to explain something. It should tell your story in one frame. The color, text, layout, and angles should all work together to make the shopper stop scrolling. Follow Amazon rules, but play creatively. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, there's a lot more where that come from. Visit ecomclips.com. We have got full resources, tutorials, and real case studies to help you build stronger Amazon listing in 2025. And if you want hands-on help, our team is always ready. We're a full-service e-commerce agency with over than 12 years of experience and 300 plus experts managing thousands of listings from choice badges to bestsellers. You can book a same-day call and we'll help you apply these CTR strategies and about 50 more to your account. Thanks for watching. Go tweak that main image, check your CTR state next week and see the difference yourself. See you in the next one. Till then, take care.